Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to withdraw money from your Weex. And if you want to do this, we click here on this profile icon and then we go to here to withdraw. And then from here, we can select here the withdraw account. So let's say the spot account, and then select the crypto. Let's say we want to send some USDT. And then right here, we have two options. We have a withdrawal on chain. So where we can select the network and then fill in here the withdrawal address, or we can do a internal transfer where we can click here on address and then click on add withdrawal address. New address, and then you can create your own address right here. But if you go back, you need to fill in one of these options. Then after this, he will send you to the withdrawal amount, and there you can fill in the amount that you want to withdraw with all the details. And after that, you click on continue, and then you can withdraw your money from your account. Right now, I don't have money on my account, so it's not possible for me to do this, but this is the way how you can withdraw money from Weex to your bank account or to another crypto wallet. So hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. If you have questions, please comment them below. Then from now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.